Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number first of our new course, that is Dialux Evo. It is a free course, you have nothing to pay. It is available on my YouTube channel Electrical Design Engineering. You have to only subscribe my channel and join my WhatsApp group and Telegram group. The links of these groups are given in the description. You can join there. First, this is our first lecture, and in this lecture we will get about what are the contents of this course. You can know about the contents of this course. First of all, I will give an introduction of Dialux Evo. What is Dialux Evo? And you get an inspiration what you can do on the Dialux Evo. Download and installation of Dialux. How you can download, where you can download, and how you can install the Dialux Evo software in your system. Basics of Dialux Evo. Then I will give you some basic ideas about the Dialux Evo. Importing plans GWD and DWG. We have an Autocad file of a drawing, building, or any mosaic or any structure. You can import this into your Dialux Evo software and work on that. Creating simple building. Then we will get a very simple building. Integration of doors and windows. We have created a simple build, then we will integrate the doors and windows in that building. Roof construction, and then we will make a roof construction of that building. Importing additional AutoCAD drawings, we can import additional more AutoCAD drawings in the Dialux Evo software. Adding floors and stories, then we can add floors, one floor story, two story, three story buildings. Like that we can add stories, and how we can add a story you can learn also in that. Design floor elements for outdoor, then we can make a floor elements for outdoor yard and other things, outdoor area. Integrating objects, then we can integrate all the objects together. Adding colors and texture, then we can add colors and textures to walls and other equipments. Thank you.